How to add stops on Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add stops in between your starting point and your destination on the Lyft app. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Lyft app and you'll get an interface like this. Now make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in here, you can see it's currently unavailable in my location. However, you can search it from the search bar. Now I'll just tap on try another location and here you'll be able to create a start point here. Now I'll just type in USA here in this case because it's not available in my region. I'll just select USA, my starting point. You can see now here you can see the option to enter your destination. What you want to do is you can see the plus icon at the right hand side in between the start and destination option. Simply tap on it and there you'll get the option add stop. Now you can see please keep stops under 5 minutes. If your stop exceeds 5 minutes, your ride price will change and your driver can end the ride as well. Simply tap on add stop and I'll add another stop. I'll just select this option. Now you can search it from the search bar or you can choose it from the map and then you can add stop and then simply type in your destination here. Now I'll just choose this destination and you can see it'll be added. So this is the way you can add stop in Lyft. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.